Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It is a great pleasure for me to address this distinguished gathering for the annual General Assembly for the WorldDAB. I would like to welcome you on behalf of the Arab States Broadcasting Union and its broadcasters members. Today, I would like to discuss with you the digital radio in the Arab region. Challenges, future, opportunities in the Arab countries. The current challenges are varying in the Arab countries. We had the FM situation is congested in the cities and urban areas, almost 90 to 100% for most of our members. Even the rural areas, we are almost like 50 to 70% full. Also, the challenges for our members is regulatory issues. Another issue we are facing is the stakeholders' interconnectivity, how to make the different stakeholders in the country to talk to each other. There are only 2 countries so far that had formed committees in our country to address the radio, the future of digital radio in their countries, Tunisia and Saudi Arabia. But anyhow, there is no lack or determination from our broadcasters to go digital. Furthermore, the broadcasters' readiness. Our broadcasters are ready. We have been working with the WorldDAB project office and have been training our members on network digitalization, on the techniques to advance DAB, and we have been successful. I believe we have established well-informed engineers that could start the service. Also, the broadcasters need to speed up the introduction of radio in their countries. We strongly believe that they have to take steps, not to wait for availability of the receivers in the market as a whole. The future and the opportunities of digital radio, we had no doubt that the future and the opportunities lies in digital radio. And our members have no doubt as well. And that's why we have adopted the system, and that's why we have made unified receivers specifications with Arab fonts, and that's why we are taking steps to move forward. The benefits of digital radio is known to all of you, and it is not absent from the minds of the Arab broadcasters. The progress of DAB in the Arab country, also I will discuss that. I will discuss marketing issue and commercialization issue. Both of these issues are interlinked. The benefits of digital radio, we are all aware of that. But anyhow, they are trying to spread these benefits among the various stakeholders in the country so that it is a national issue. The progress in the Arab countries is going very well underway. We had Qatar and Kuwait have established the network for some time. Kuwait was the first, among the first to start 2-layer networks. They are lacking the regulatory framework and the commercialization issue. On another hand is Tunisia. Tunisia has been leading the way to go digital, and they have committed to 50% last year. This year, although the pandemic has its toll, they have increased their coverage up to 75%. Sudan as well has plans to introduce DAB. UAE has done regulatory work. Bahrain is starting DAB 2021. Saudi Arabia has taken real steps. They have formed a national committee to introduce digital. They have started a pilot project in Riyadh. They are planning another one in Dammam. So we are expecting a big leap in the Middle East and the Gulf states, led by Saudi Arabia, to enforce DAB, radio digitalization through DAB. Algeria has conducted has conducted pilot projects, and they are covering now Algeria, Algeria city, the capital, and they have planned to go furthermore. I hope that I have covered all of the Arab countries. And the marketing issues. For us, we believe that the receivers manufacturer have been innovative. They have been doing a great job in providing different types of receivers that could meet different consumers' demands and expectation. The marketing issue, still there are challenges for the broadcasters, how they can produce more thematic programs, how to make benefit of the digital radio in targeting more specified and personalized parts of the society, like the young, like the elderly, and so on. We have to work very, very hard with the receivers manufacturers, with the whether portable or automotive, because we need their support. Their support is very, very important. We advise them to approach our market aggressively and talk to their dealers and distributors and be present. We have to make legislations to advance the receivers manufacturers, to advance the receivers availability in the market. For example, Tunisia is working on tax exemption for the receivers for the starting next year, and that is an effort from Tunisia to advance their digitalization. On another commercialization issue, the ESPU have been working very hard to promote digital radio on the territory. We have been contacting our fellow organizations, Pan-Arab organization, to support us on the spectrum and regulatory issue. We have contacted our members to approach different stakeholders in the country to make digitalization process through a committee and be responsible for regulatory and legislation and technical issues combined. The support of the DAB technical committee was tremendous. They have helped us issue ESPU profile, which will respect the Arab font specific character. Anyhow, there are many indicators for success that has been available to all of us and will give us more energy to fight to get our objective meets in the near future. The home receivers availability, the different types of receivers in the market, the prices of the receivers continue to go down, more features are offered. On the conclusion, the key success is collaboration and coordination between stakeholders. We need to get different parties involved. We need to have a better communication skill. We need to invite manufacturers, whether automotive or portable, to be more aggressive to approach our market with determination and without hesitation, because we are locked to this digital radio. The broadcasters need to provide more content. They have to be creative in creating more contents, make more choices for the consumers, and also the network coverage has to be worked upon successfully. At the end, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to address this distinguished delegation, and I'm hoping next year I will meet you face to face with more positive information coming from our area, also with more aggressive and without hesitation from the manufacturers to approach our area. Thank you very much.